Hello everybody! Today I'm not going to show myself, but you are going to hear my very nice voice. You have no choice. No choice at all. Today guys, andito ako sa kusina ng aking kapatid sa Harlem's Kitchen. So, makikiluto muna tayo and as you can see, the chicken is well prepared and well cleaned na. So, let's go guys. Let's start cooking. But before we move on, let me show you the ingredients. So, this is what we need. I think this is very easy. You can easily find it in your kitchen. So let's start. Let's put our flour, cornstarch, black pepper, a baking powder, salt, egg, and let's not forget our chili paste, and then let's mix them all together. And guys, the best thing to use for mixing is our hands, our clean hands. Okay, so let's fry our chicken and make sure the wok is really very hot before pouring out the oil. So naka-high fire ito guys, pero pwede na natin siyang hinaan para hindi masunog yung manok. And then after 3 to 5 minutes, pwede na natin baliktarin. And then later, kapag luto na siya at iaahon mo, saka mo lakasan ulit yung apoy. Okay, so ang tawag daw dito guys is double fry. Kung saan iaahon mo yung chicken, tapos saglit lang, and then ibabalik mo rin siya para mas crispier daw siya. So ito yung mga technique ng mga Opa technique. Yan, so ibabalik natin. Pero kailangan yung mantika natin mainit. Mainit na mainit para hindi ma-absorb ng chicken yung oil. Diba? So, saglit lang yan guys. And then after that, iahon ulit natin.
Tapos very low heat para hindi makalik. Either 1 to 2 tablespoons lang. Tuyo kung naano ka na gusto yung garlic niya. Pero 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of water. Two tablespoons of sugar. So, hintayin lang natin makaramelize at mag-bubbles. Yung chicken, gusto ko pa rin dagdagan pa rin ng gochujang kasi hindi masyadong spicy. So, ngayon, kung masipag ka, pwede mo siyang isa-isahin. Na-brush. Para kuha lahat talaga ng every sides. Ayan. Kaso, pag nagmamadali ka, tinatamad ka na. So, pwedeng toast it. Toast.
And that's our Korean chicken spicy wings. Ta-da!